Hey, hey, it's Berta J. Come on in. We're going to make avocado vegetable spread today. Very simple recipe, and I believe you're going to love it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your food processor with an S blade in it. Now, I've tried this recipe for over 14 years. I got it from a chef named Mary Lawrence. She has a business called wellonwheels.com. So if you want to go there, you can see she has other recipes as well. But I got this in a class on eating better and vegetarian cooking from her. It's totally her recipe. It's really delicious. So the first thing you're going to do is put half a cup of sliced almonds into your food processor. I've used the whole almond, but it takes longer for them to break down, and I found out sliced almonds were better, so use that half a cup of sliced almonds. And to that you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of miso. I use the light or the white miso, so use that, 1.5 teaspoons. The next thing you're going to use is something called umeboshi vinegar. It's made from yumi plums, and I can't find anything to replace it. It's very salty. Maybe you could try salt. But if you just use salt, it's going to give it a totally different flavor. And if you take the opportunity to buy yourself a bottle of this, you'll use it in other things as well. So it's only 1/2 teaspoon of it, but it does make a difference. You're going to chop up, not finely, but just chop it up because you're going to be processing it in your food processor, 1/2 clove of garlic. And then you're going to cut 1/2 inch of ginger. And you can cut that just very roughly, cut that and throw that into. You need to put in about 2 tablespoons of water to start all that. So you're going to put all those things in your blender and you're going to pulse it. You're going to keep pulsing, and then you're going to need to wipe it down, and then you'll pulse some more. It's not going to ever turn into a fine paste or a thick paste. It's just going to be loose, but that's exactly what you want. You're going to scrape that out and you're going to put it into a bowl where you're going to add some other things. To that you will add 1 mashed avocado. Mash that avocado roughly if you want to. Like if you want to let it have some texture, then just mash it lightly. If you like it real smooth, then just make sure that you do that smoothly. You're going to add that to the bowl. And then you're going to add one of the sections of a red pepper. You know the bumps on the peppers? There's like usually 4. Take one of those bumps all the way down from the stem all the way down to the bottom. And get the seeds and all of that out, and then cut it up and put it in the bowl too. Then you're going to take 1/2 cup of shredded carrot. You're almost done. So now what you do is you're going to just stir that up, stir that up, stir that up, and you're going to come out with this wonderful tasting mixture that looks like this. I'm tasting it because I like it. This never fails me. It won't fail you either. It is delicious. You can use this on toast. I've eaten it on toast for the last couple of days. The other thing I like, so I introduced these to you in another video. They're popcorners, and they're just pressed down pieces of popcorn, very low in fat, very, very crunchy and good. You can take that and have that as well. You can use rice cakes. Now, the good thing about rice cakes is I toasted these, and they taste really good toasted. So you can just spread a little bit of that on it, take some of your salad, and throw that on the top. The other thing I've used it for is if you like matzah, toast it a little bit. It gets really crunchy. You don't want to toast it, you don't have to. But you toast it, and then you could spread a little bit of that on there. Pita pockets, you can also use it for that. And you can then make a little sandwich. Cut the pita in half, put some of your avocado vegetable spread in there, and then drop in your vegetables, your salad, and it'll really taste delicious. So that's it for my avocado vegetable spread. Very versatile, very delicious. The other way you can have it is you can just eat it out of the bowl if you want to. Also on crackers. It's really, really good, guys. Give this one a try, okay? Even though you have this strange ingredient that we've had that you have to add to it to really give it that punch. So for that, and I'm all done, it's really good. I want you to give it a try, okay? So until next time, Try this avocado vegetable spread. Leave some comments below and let me know how you like it when you make it, or if you're thinking of making it, if you've never tried it. Okay, so until next time, it's Berta J's from Berta J's Kitchen. To you, I say bye for now.